Hey, welcome to Dan's Garage. In this week's video, I'm going to be cleaning old wires in the engine bay. I'm going to try and figure out connecting the coil, the distributor, and the starter solenoid all together. I'm also going to test fit the carburetor on the engine. Because I disconnected the starter and the generator when I pulled the engine out, I need to reconnect those. I'm also going to make a list of a lot of the other stuff that I need to be working on to hear what other videos are coming up next. Stay to the end of this video. If you want more of this 1960 F100 content, please consider subscribing. See how gross that is? Just a whole bunch of spider stuff. I'm making a list of everything that I need to be working on in order to get the F100 back on the road. Now, this is not the definitive list of things that I need to get done, but it is a list. Okay, one of the things I need to do is I need to hook the starter wire up to my new starter solenoid. So I'm going to do a little bit more research on which side of the solenoid this wire coming off of the starter goes to, and then I also need to get in there and connect this ground to the engine, and then just make sure that all of my spark plug wires are routed correctly. A lot of people actually run them back here behind the engine, but I'm not quite sure if I want to run them over like they're currently set up to go in. This would actually rotate around and go like that, so they could go over like that. But I need to actually connect the carburetor, get it hooked up, and then I think once I have those things, oh, and I need to connect the generator up to this current voltage regulator. Just taking this off, I have a severe lack of electrical connectors, so I'm actually going to save this piece so that I can use it somewhere else. But this original wire is going to go back on here. And you see, I know it's this wire because of the way it is. Now, if I do end up needing to pull the engine out again, I will be removing this wire. Now, for these ones, now I actually need to consult my wiring diagram to know which wire goes on this terminal from the voltage regulator. Okay, all I'm doing right now, so I got this wire wrapped up some more in electrical tape, so it's a bit more protected. Now I'm gonna connect it to the starter. I'm gonna wrap these in electrical tape first, and then I will connect them to the generator. I think that's it for this video about wiring the truck. I gave a little bit of a progress update through the posts with some progress photos. Other videos I'm working on right now are removing the old engine. Another video that I'm gonna do is inspecting the old engine and seeing what it would take to rebuild it so that I can get that original engine back inside the truck. But for now, if you like this content, please consider subscribing. Thanks.